Hello everyone, welcome back to Autotrend TV. I'm your Viprajesh again, and today I am here with the brand new Toyota Urban Cruiser Compact SUV. You can immediately notice that this is essentially a rebadged version of the Maruti Suzuki Vitara Brezza Compact SUV, with the grille and bumper design carried over from the Toyota Fortuner. This being the top spec premium variant, you get all LED headlamps with LED DRLs and LED fog lamps, and a dual tone bumper with a Foss kit plate finish. Moving on towards the sides, well, of course, this here is a quick look at the side profile of the Toyota Urban Cruiser. It looks exactly the same as the Vitara Brezza. Even the alloy wheel design is exactly the same. These are 16-inch 215 section wheels with the dual tone finish exclusive only for the premium variant. This specific display car has been fitted with certain accessories such as chrome kit, and this is the promotional spunky blue color with a contrast black roof. The tail lamps are exactly the same, with the Urban Cruiser badging replacing the Vitara Brezza badging above the number plate housing. This being the top spec variant, you also receive rear windshield wiper washer and defogger, while the reverse parking camera is mounted inside the number plate housing. So that was all about the exterior details of the Toyota Urban Cruiser top spec premium variant. Now quickly let's take a look on the inside. Opening the door of the Urban Cruiser reveals that the dashboard and the interior itself is exactly the same as the Maruti Suzuki Vitara Brezza. The overall design, layout, features and even the steering wheel remain exactly the same. Of course, this being a top spec variant, you also receive chrome finish on the steering wheel, including leather wrap. On this top spec variant, you can see that this car has cruise control along with automatic headlamps, automatic wipers and multicolor backlighting option for the instrument cluster. The center console gets a 7-inch Smart Play touchscreen infotainment system which provides Android Auto, Apple CarPlay and a reverse parking camera as well. The only major difference is the slight brownish tone for the seats, and of course on this top spec variant you also receive a sliding center armrest. While this is a manual version, there is also a 4-speed torque converter automatic transmission option on all three variants. Just like the Vitara Brezza, you also get dual glove boxes on the Urban Cruiser, one on the top and one lower down. So overall, in terms of practicality and design layout, it is exactly the same as the Vitara Brezza and it is decently good. Just like the Maruti Suzuki Vitara Brezza, you get auto dimming IRVM on the top spec variant as well. This is obviously the same unit seen on the Toyota Glanza as well. However, just like the Brezza, you do not get an electric sunroof. Now let's get to the back seat. The back seat too looks exactly the same as the Maruti Suzuki Vitara Brezza. You get a center armrest for the rear passengers along with two adjustable headrests. The overall space is quite good with decent amount of support. However, just like the Brezza, you do not get rear AC vents and neither do you get leather upholstery. Everything remains exactly the same except for the only visible difference, which is the seat color. All three variants are expected to receive dual airbags, ABS with ISOFIX child seat mounts and push-button start along with projector headlamps as standard. The entry-level variant will also feature a 2-DIN audio system and automatic climate control. Here's a quick look at the dashboard of the Toyota Urban Cruiser from the back seat, and it looks exactly the same as the Vitara Brezza's. Practicality is good too, with all the doors receiving a 1-liter bottle holder. However, the plastic quality could have been slightly better. Now let's get to the boot. The Toyota Urban Cruiser, being based on the Maruti Suzuki Vitara Brezza, gets the exact same boot space, which is 328 liters in capacity and is very well shaped. The top spec variants also receive 60-40 split folding rear seats, which improve flexibility. Now let's take a look under the engine bay. Under the engine bay of the Toyota Urban Cruiser is the very familiar 1.5-liter K-Series 4-cylinder petrol engine, which produces 105 PS of maximum power and a torque figure of 138 Nm through either a 5-speed manual transmission or a 4-speed torque converter automatic transmission. However, one thing to be noted that the automatic transmission variants also come equipped with Maruti Suzuki's SHVS Smart Hybrid system. Since this engine is already seen on the Maruti Suzuki XL6, the Ertiga, the Ciaz, and the Vitara Brezza, we already know that it is quite refined while also being adequately powerful. Just like the Maruti Vitara Brezza, you do not get electronic stability program or traction control as standard on any variant. However, only the automatic variants come as standard with 80 gearbox based hill hold system. So that was a quick walk around of the new Toyota Urban Cruiser compact SUV based on the Maruti Suzuki Vitara Brezza. Apart from the marginally better equipped mid-spec and lower spec variants, the Toyota Urban Cruiser offers a better warranty package when you compare with the Maruti Suzuki, and those are the only differences when you compare with the Vitara Brezza. Both the cars being exactly the same, in the end it all depends on your preference, as from which brand you would like to have your services get done. So meanwhile, this is Viprajesh signing off. See you on another video. Thank you for watching.